The Fox and the Crow. In a lush forest, a clever fox was known for his wit. One day, he spotted a crow holding a delicious piece of cheese in its beak. Hungry and cunning fox made a plan to steal the piece of cheese. He complimented the crow, saying, "Your voice is as melodious as an angel's. I wish to hear your beautiful song." Flattered, the crow opened its beak to sing, and at that time the piece of cheese fell to the ground. Seizing the opportunity, Fox grabbed the cheese and ran away. The crow felt foolish for falling for the flattery and losing its meal. The moral of the story is that beware of flattery from those with selfish intentions, and honesty with hard work were more rewarding than deceit.